The process of seeing is a trip from the eye to the brain. As an image is brought forth in the line of sight, the axons of ganglion cells exit the retina to form the optic nerve and travels to the thalamus, the LGN specifically, and the superior colliculus. The LGN, which stands for lateral geniculate nucleus, is what relays most visual information from the retina to reach the cortex. Even though it might seem like the retina has one of the main roles, it only makes up about 20% of all inputs that reach the LGN, with the majority being from the brainstem and the cortex. So more than just acting as a basic visual input relay that just carries information from retina to the cortex, the LGN is actually the first step into the visual pathway that can be modified by mental states. On the other hand, the superior colliculus helps us control where we are moving our eyes and heads, therefore controlling where we direct our gaze. You know those jumpy eye movements you do to read texts? Those are called saccades and are also controlled by the superior colliculus. So the image passes the thalamus and travels to the visual cortex. Now what? Where does it go? Think of those two questions, and there you have your answer. Most researchers believe that visual processing in the cortex is occurring by two distinct streams of information, the what pathway and the where pathway. The what pathway, shown in purple, is involved in recognizing and identifying objects. Meanwhile, the where pathway concerns object movement and location, which makes it incredibly important for visually guided behavior.